How to think in English and stop translating from your head. Thinking in English is crucial to becoming fluent, and many of you have shared similar experiences. You're not alone if you find yourself translating from your native language into English. It's a natural part of the learning process. As one of our viewers said, this happened to them in both English and Japanese, but with consistent practice, this problem gradually disappeared. To truly become fluent in English, you need to learn to think in English. Translating from your native language into English during conversations can slow you down, create awkward pauses, and cause stress. This makes it hard to communicate naturally. So, how do you train your brain to think in English? The key is immersing yourself in the language, listening to a lot of content in English, and eventually, you'll start thinking in your target language. Here are some simple proven tips and techniques to boost your fluency fast and stop translating. Tip number 1, listen and absorb. Surround yourself with English as much as possible. Whether it's podcasts, audiobooks, news, movies or music, the more you hear English, the more it becomes a part of your daily life. It helps you hear words and grammar in context, making it easier to remember them. As one of you put it, I have been studying English for 3 hours, and it's just what I needed. This consistent exposure helps your brain get used to the sounds and rhythms of English, and soon enough, you'll find yourself thinking in English without effort. Try to spend at least 30 minutes a day immersing yourself in English to build a strong foundation. Remember, it's not just about understanding words, it's about absorbing the culture, the facial expressions, and even the tone. Tip number 2, embrace mistakes and keep practicing. Some people expressed concerns about feeling stuck or frustrated while learning. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Someone once said, I hope one day I can speak fluent English. I do my best. It's important to embrace that feeling and keep pushing forward. Another person shared how they started thinking in English after they began writing. Writing in English is a fantastic way to engage with the language actively and build that mental muscle. Tip number 3, short, focused exercises. I have heard several people mention feeling overwhelmed or unsure where to start. A simple strategy is to do short, focused exercises daily. Spend 5 minutes describing what's happening around you in English, even if it's just in your head. Set a timer and narrate your actions, describe the weather and your surroundings or express what you're thinking or doing at the moment. All in English. This practice helps build those essential neural connections, and over time, it will become second nature to think in English. Start with simple words and sentences, then gradually increase the complexity. Tip number 4, be consistent. Just like going to the gym, practicing English daily will help you build fluency faster than doing long, infrequent sessions. Regular practice reinforces what you learned the day before and keeps your language skills active. Make sure to find content that resonates with you, whether it's a podcast with a soothing voice, a YouTube channel with engaging visuals, or an audiobook that captivates you. Consistency is key. A little practice every day can make a big difference over time. Tip number 5, build confidence with speaking practice. Engage in conversations. You can join conversation groups, find a speaking partner, or even talk to yourself in English. One viewer said, "I followed that advice and it worked." Speaking regularly helps you think on your feet and boosts your confidence. The more you practice, the easier it becomes to think in English and respond quickly. Don't worry about sounding perfect. Just focus on getting your ideas across. Tip number 6. Activate your English skills. Listening is great, but you need to actively use English to train your brain. For example, choose a short podcast, like 6-Minute English. Before listening, brainstorm words you already know about the topic, without translating from your native language. After listening, map out the main ideas or story in English to make connections in your mind. Tip number 7. Use visual prompts. Watch a short YouTube video related to your interests without sound. Note down or say out loud in English what you see. If you don't know a word, look it up in English to build your vocabulary. Repeat the process to strengthen your recall. This visual exercise encourages your brain to think in English and recall words more quickly. Tip number 8. Engage with the community. Learning doesn't have to be a lonely journey. Let's form a supportive community here, where we share tips, encouragement, and experiences. We learn every day, and you will learn so much from this channel. So, join online communities, participate in discussion, comment and correct each other, and let's keep learning together. Don't retire, we're all here to support each other. Final thoughts. Thinking in English is not an overnight achievement. It's a journey, filled with small steps that build on each other over time. Just like a muscle, your brain will get stronger with consistent practice. Keep immersing yourself in English, be patient with yourself, and remember, the goal is to make thinking in English a natural part of your daily life. You are already making progress. Keep going, stay motivated, keep practicing, and soon, thinking in English will become a natural part of who you are. I hope you enjoyed these tips. Like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video, and keep sharing your thoughts and experiences in the comments.